Welcome everyone. Today we are going to be going over using 10 frames to help us subtract. Remember that a 10 frame is a box or frame that has 10 boxes. It can especially help us subtract from 10, but you can also use it with other numbers that are smaller than 10. So our first problem says 10 minus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and move 10 of these red dots to fill up the whole 10 frame because we already know a 10 frame has 10 dots. Now that I have my 10 dots, I know that it's asking me to take away 3 from this number. So I'm going to cross out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So how many are there left now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 left. Let's go to the next one. This problem says 9 minus 3. Let's use the blue dots this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 blue dots. And our problem says 9 minus 3. So we have to take away 3 of them. So let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3. How many are there left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 dots left. Let's do one more. This problem says 10 minus 4. Let's use the blue dots this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know the top is 5. And then we can do the other 5 at the bottom because 5 plus 5 is 10. And also a 10 frame has 10, so we just have to fill up the whole thing if we're starting off with 10. Now it says to take away or subtract 4. Let's take away 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many are there left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the next 2 slides and solve the 2 problems. Once you are done, you will go find your other activity, which is this. It is called Separate from 10. It has some pirates in there. And it says drag 1 away from 10. How many are left? So we're going to subtract again. Our subtraction involves taking or dragging away from the number 10. So it's kind of like with our 10 frames, we're still using the number 10. And then we're going to pick one of the numbers on the right if that is the appropriate number. So first, let's make sure that there are indeed 10 gems. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 gems, or also known as jewels. So there are 10 jewels from the pirate. And then it says drag 1 away from 10. So I'm going to drag this one away. put it over here. So how many are there left now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag my number 9 to the treasure chest to show that that's our answer. As you can see, since I dragged the correct one, I can see a check mark at the bottom from the 9. If I had dragged 8, would not have been, or the 7 would not have been. Make sure you count them first before starting to move around. And if you move your number and it's an X, double check your counting to make sure you got it right. Let's do one more together. This one says drag 8 away from 10. There are already 10 gems in there, so I'm going to drag away 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many gems are there left? We have 1 and 2. So our correct answer is 2. And as you can see, we got a check mark when we dragged it to the chest. You will continue this game until slide 11, and then you will click the check mark to turn in your work. I hope you have fun.